No matter if you are an empath or not, if your child is an empath or not, this is something common for everyone. If you are feeling lonely, sad, negative, or um, as though no one is listening to you, no one cares for you, and feel lonely or depressed, anxiety is there, or uh, misunderstood, or if you are feeling anything low or negative, if you think that you are an alien in this world, or any kind of negative emotions if you have, then you need to know that everything starts with one thing: lack of love. I'm here to spread the word about love, but I when I studied psychology, I realized that I had worked with a few patients as well, and they were depressed, manic, or they had bipolar as well. The thing was that I noticed is, in their past there was some kind of issue related to love. Any kind of love in any kind of relationship can leave you feeling all kind of negative emotions. That is what you need to fill with. If you are struggling in life with negative emotions, depression, sadness, loneliness, and feeling like no one understands you, no one cares for you, or something like that, you need to know that you are just craving for love, and that love won't be um, can't be fill you. Others' love can't fill you actually, but you have to start with self love. You have to start loving yourself first. You have to be a person who stands for himself or herself. You have to be with you. Until you work on self love or loving yourself so deeply that no matter what happens, you won't leave your side anyhow, anywhere, when, wherever, whatever happens. But when you start loving yourself so deeply, you will know that that is when everything starts changing. Seriously, if you are depressed, anxious, or feel lonely, or anything like that, like no one is able to understand you, go on and start with filling your cup of love, of your heart, with self love. Start loving yourself. It is difficult but needed. When you start loving yourself, you change life actually. Your life. That's how we change. If you have an empath child, start teaching them about self love. Start talking about self love so that they can work on themselves, they can feel loved by themselves. Then only you will feel, or they will feel loved by anyone else. That's the mystery. That's the secret actually. So go on and self love, indulge in your love. Go on and let me know in the comments what are your questions. Live in light, enjoy life, and have fun.